Hey guys, so I am here at my friend's salon. Her name is Mariko and she does my hair and lashes. I haven't seen her in like 6 months or so, maybe longer. So I am here right now at 12 o'clock is my appointment, but today I am doing like part of my mommy day. I have my hair next Friday at like 12 o'clock the same time. So today I'm getting lashes and then I'm gonna go over to the mall and get my nails done. So that is gonna be part of my mommy day today. Next Friday I'm getting my toes and my hair done. So let's get started, and I am going in with no makeup on. You guys look at, I have more hair growing out. So that's great. I got little horns. My cold sore is healing up, you guys. And then I broke out some more because I'm gonna probably start my you know what soon. So anyways, let's go in here. I'm gonna film some of her doing my lashes, like a before and after picture, and then I'll post it on my Instagram and stuff like that. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I post my next video, and give this video a big thumbs up and comment below. I'll be reading some comments from my other videos on here right after this, so we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so I have my lashes on. This is what they look like, and I did my makeup. I put my hat on because I think it looks cuter than having my hair back in a ponytail. She did like 11s, 12s, and 13s, I think is what she said. So this is what they look like, and I love them. I have no mascara on at all whatsoever. I did do my makeup, but you guys, I am in love. I just did my makeup and it took me like 2 seconds. Well, like a couple minutes. Clean my lens a little bit there. But you guys, I am so in love. Tell me in the comments below if you guys have eyelashes and if you use mascara on them, because I do know a lot of people that do use mascara on them, but I am so in love with you guys. I am never gonna not have these again. So anyways, I'm gonna head to the mall now, grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna get my nails done. Okay, you guys, so I am driving home from the mall right now, and I got my nails done. I'm driving out on the back roads to go to our house. There's like a back way you can go. Anyways, not the point, but I did go and get some really cute earrings. I love these. Super cute, and it's so funny because I totally picked out the same pair of earrings but in different colors. So I got like a rose gold one, and I got just like a silver. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys again my lashes. I am so in love with them, but I want to show you guys my nails. So this is what my nails look like. I love them, you guys. I got acrylics, and then I just got the white powder put on the whole nail instead of having polish, because then that way it doesn't chip. So I absolutely love these. I love the length, the shape, everything. I'm so excited. Anyways, I am gonna be home in probably like 5 minutes. Wow, lady, it's my turn to turn. I'm gonna be home in probably like 5 minutes. I think my blush is a little dark today. I think I did my blush a little too dark. Oh, wow. Anyways, you guys, I love my nails. They are so cute. So excited. I can still do massage with these on. There were a bunch of things I looked at in the mall that I wanted to get. One of them was like boots for my son. I am gonna wait until next weekend though, because they have Black Friday sales that are going on. This hat is so funny. I swear it makes me look like I just have like this headband on because the top doesn't stick up very well. I don't know. It feels weird. Anyways, next weekend I think is when I'll go because of the Black Friday sales they have going on. But I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video. So this is gonna be like a week in between these 2 videos because I'm getting my hair done next. I can't do all these things in one day because it's way too, it would take me like 8 hours. So I am going next Friday to get my hair done, and it's also my son's birthday, so that should be an eventful weekend. I also ordered the snowman. I don't know if you guys have this where you are, but here in Montana, they do the snowman cake pops, and I ordered those for my son's party at school. And then I have to make a snack to bring, and I'm gonna bring apple slices dipped in caramel sauce with the mini chocolate chips on them. We're so excited for that. James cannot wait. But I am home, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm driving out in the middle of nowhere, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi guys, so I am at the salon right now. I'm about ready to go in. I have 5 minutes. I'm gonna go get my hair done. So this is a continuation from last Friday when I shot the other part of this video for my eyelashes, and I did get my nails done too, and that is also in the other clips that I did. So I am going in to get my roots touched up possibly. You guys, I am actually loving the shadow root that I have, but I don't like on the front right here where you can see the brown and then it goes to blonde. So I think I'm gonna have some done around my face. I'm gonna pull my natural color through the blonde, and then I'm actually gonna go blonde here and here just in the front so that it looks kind of cohesive around the front of my face. So anyways, you guys, I just wanted to say, if you don't know and you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you want to follow me more and if you want to see more videos like this. And also I'm going to be adding into my channel some videos on self-care since I am a massage therapist. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I do for self-care. So every Friday, if my husband is home, I always go either get my hair, my nails done, or a massage. Usually I'll do 2 of those things while I'm gone because I really usually always need a massage, and I think it feels really good to either get your nails done or your hair done. It just makes you feel pretty and cared for and pampered. And then I always get a coffee. Sometimes I'll go buy myself like a new shirt or a pair of pants or some shoes, but I only usually buy 1 of those. I don't go overboard. So I just wanted to let you guys know just a little bit of self-care stuff that I do is like I use oils at home. I have a massage room in my house, so I usually go down there. I roll on my roller. I do my neck stretches. I'll do some yoga, light some candles, burn some incense, put some essential oils on, and just really take at least 20 minutes. You would be really surprised if you just do 20 minutes a day, or even 15 minutes of going in there. I have a hair on my lip. So anyways, I'm gonna go in here because it's 11:59 and my appointment's at noon, and maybe I'll do a little clip of her doing my hair like I did with my eyelashes. So you guys, I am loving my lashes. I am so in love. I did put some mascara on today, so we'll see what she says about that. But also, you guys, my cold sore is healing up so good. I've been putting castor oil on that, and also my skin has really been healing up because I've been using castor oil as well on my skin. And if you didn't know, that is like a hidden ancient beauty secret that women used to use back in the day. So look more into it, Google it. It's very cool information. So let's get started on this hair, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I don't know if you can really tell. I know you can tell on the front here, but I got just this blonde right on the front, and it's not styled because I had to hurry up and come home, but you can tell I had more of my brown pulled through all the way to the bottom. I can't wait to curl it and style it and everything, but I am home now, you guys. I just had some Wendy's, and I just got a big, yummy, delicious drink from our local coffee shop, City Brew. Vanilla latte, and hopefully I should have told them to use whole milk because it tastes like water. So anyways, I am gonna be seeing a client here at 3 o'clock, and it's 2:30, so I gotta go get ready for that. But this is my hair. I absolutely love it. I think it looks really cute. I might add a little bit more like blonde maybe to the front here next time. Maybe a little bit thicker on this side. So we'll see, but it looks pretty cute. I like it. It's different. I do something I've never tried before. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe, and don't forget, you are blessed and you are a blessing. Don't forget that. For anybody who thinks that they are not important in this world or that nobody notices you, you are a blessing to somebody, and you have been blessed. If you're alive and you're well, you are blessed. I love you guys. Have a good weekend. Have a good Friday. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.